Yo, what's good everybody, Skater Reaper here. So, I have some unfortunate news. My K65 mini RGB keyboard, it died. And, I'm not exactly sure what the fuck happened. It just stopped working and it would not be recognized by the operating system. I could try it on my gaming laptop, see if I can get anything out of it, but odds of that are very slim. So, decided to go ahead and use this opportunity to upgrade my keyboard. Now, the mouse is still going strong. It works and everything. It still charges good. Alright. So, the upgrade that I got is the K70 Pro Wireless Mini. Or K70 Pro Mini Wireless. Alright. And, has a lot of features. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and open this up. Alright. There we go. And then this one. And then I'll just go ahead and close the knife up so I don't get cut, because that would be bad. Alright. So, here it is, right here. Alright. Wireless keyboard. God, this fucking thing is heavy. Alright. User manual. Or this is actually your safety and compliance information, and then your warranty guide. Alright. And then if we come down here, okay, we have everything you're going to need. Alright. So in this one, you have your other spacebar, so you can actually change it. And then you have a key puller. You also have a an extra little key here, or yeah, I guess you'd say that's a key. And then you have the switch puller as well, because you can actually swap out the switches on this or replace them if you need to. So, with that being said, here's the cable, okay? Don't need this right now because I'm not going to be swapping anything out. And, yeah. Go ahead and put this back up. Well, actually, I need to put the warranty information back in here, so we'll go ahead and do that real quick. Alright. Alright. Set this down over here. So go ahead and unpackage the keyboard and the cable. So, that being said, here's the cable. Going to need that. I don't need it, but I do need it because I'm going to be able to charge the keyboard because it is wireless. And, well, I didn't show y'all, but here it is. So, and then this little piece pulls out. This is a little wireless dongle thing. And, yeah, it looks nice. It's heavy. Sounds just like the other one that I have. The switches are nice on it. Let me see what they are. I don't want to be wrong on this. So, go ahead and put everything back where it belongs. Or at least all the bags and stuff. Packaging material, so I don't lose that. Just in case if I have to take it back for any reason before the warranty runs out. Like, say if something happens to it. Have all that intact, including the warranty information. So, yeah. We'll go ahead and put this. And, to those who are wondering, the keycaps on here, or not the keycaps, the keys are, let's see, Cherry MX key switch, speed RGB silver, linear and fast, 100 million keystrokes guaranteed. Alright. Not bad. Okay. And, let's see, where is it? So you can actually use this on PC, Mac, mobile, Xbox, and PlayStation. So, if you're looking for a keyboard for your PlayStation or Xbox, there you go. But, I like how it's laid out and everything. You have the spot for your dongle on this side, and then you have the spot for your charging cable on this side. And, you have little razors here. I don't know what they're actually called, but they kind of angle the keyboard on the desk. So yeah. And obviously you guys know how big the K65 is. It is a full-size keyboard, including the number pad, which I don't really use the number pad that much, so it is what it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this shit set up. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.